Hello, welcome back to the Free American Spirit channel. Tonight we're going to talk about the Uphold Cryptocurrency Exchange. Very simple for the beginner to understand. You download it to your phone, you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, as well as gold, silver, or other metals. The best thing about it is it has your own individual wallet, so once you learn how to use a wallet, you can transfer your cryptos off your phone and keep them safe. Speaking of wallets, we're going to announce the second winner of the Ledger Nano S. If you remember, in two videos back, I've got a contest going. So if you haven't already signed up to win one of the 6 Ledger Nanos, today is number 2. Just go down to the link below, go over to that video, and do everything required. And it's real simple. All you do is leave a 10-word comment, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and because of customs, you got to live in the United States. But go to that link, sign up, and we're going to talk about these things right after this word from our sponsor. I got to hit this button down here. Okay, guys, if you haven't already tried to win one of the wallets, this is the video, the hard wallet giveaway Ledger Nano S or Keep Key giveaway. This is the video where you will go and you will like, subscribe, and leave your comment in order to win. So let's go now to a little thing called Uphold. If you don't know what this is, it's a cryptocurrency exchange. You buy, sell digital currencies. This is what it'll look like on your phone. It's available at the iOS store for Apple or the Play Store for Google. You have 23 different currencies. You can trade between 9 cryptocurrencies and 4 precious metals. The reason I like this is because unlike Average I showed you before, it'll actually have your own wallet for each crypto that you buy, and as long as you have a hard wallet that you want to put that to, you can transfer it off your phone over to your hard wallet and keep it safe just like any other exchange. It's real easy to sign up for this as well. It takes euros, it takes USD, a lot of other currencies, the yen and things like that. So it's easy to fund your account. There are limits as you do more KYC, know your customers, and KML, the money laundering thing. You'll be able to increase your values. The only bad thing is for a bank transfer, Average is a little faster on the ACH bank transfers. I don't know why. This one is located over in Europe somewhere, and it takes like 5 or 6 days to transfer your money. You can do it by wire, but that costs a little bit more. Bank transfers are free, but it will take like 5 business days, so it's pretty annoying. But maybe Ripple will talk to Uphold and somehow be able to work on that and use XPR for transfers. Wouldn't that be great? But that's not yet. So right now you have easy funding. You have instant conversion. As soon as you have money, you can convert it between currencies or crypto or precious metals that are on there. This is new right here. You can actually put your cryptocurrency and earn anywhere from 3 to 10% into like a savings. You have to leave it there. I don't know how long, but you leave it there and they let you earn a commission on it or a percentage. Borrowing is coming soon. In other words, you could have, let's say, 100,000 XRP and say it's worth $3,000 and you want to borrow $500, you can borrow. And I guess if you pay it back, you pay a percentage or whatever, just like everything else. And they're also going to have debit cards coming soon. So it's a really nice little app to have. I enjoy it. If you do a little thing here, looking at it to compare, Uphold has 23 traditional currencies. Coinbase has 3. Revolut has 25. Robinhood, that's another exchange I talked to you about, which also does stocks, has 1. Digital currencies, they have 9, so they lead the pack there. Trading pairs, they have over 1,000 trading pairs, which means you can trade just about everything with everything on that site. In other words, I can trade my XRP for gold, silver. I can trade my XRP for fiat, meaning euro or USD. I don't have to go buy Bitcoin and swap it around and whatever. There's 7 networks on the blockchains they work off of. Send and recovery by emails, transparent reserve. I mean, there's just a lot of good things. It's rated 7.6 out of 10. I don't know where the ratings come from, but It's a nice little thing. It's trusted. It's transparent. I've been using it for a while. I wouldn't recommend it to you. Another neat thing about this is if you want to go into down here at the bottom, you can look at, they have a couple of, what do you call it, the FAQ, but they also have a Cryptionary, which tells you different terms for the beginner. It's like a dictionary of cryptocurrency terms. What are altcoins? What is AML? The anti-money laundering, which I just stumbled over. Arbitrage, if you're going to buy between different exchanges at a higher, lower rate than the original exchange you bought from. So you go through all these and learn something. It also has a nice blog that you can go to, and they'll have just different news events and, talking about what they're bringing, what they're not bringing, what other people are doing. So this is really neat. This is Dash. It's telling you how to buy Dash on Uphold. This is basic attention, telling you 3 ways it's impacting online. That's where you trade and you tip people with money. So it's a really nice little app to have. So get onto it. There's a link in my description below that shows you right how to go to it. I'll actually get, I think, like $5. Doesn't cost you anything for recommending you. So please use my link below. But that's a nice little exchange to use on your phone. And just remember, if you're buying cryptocurrency, make sure that you buy cryptocurrencies that you can put on a hard wallet. Take it off your phone or transfer from Uphold to that hard wallet. And also remember, if you're taking your pictures of your driver's license or your bank account or whatever to fulfill the KYC requirements, because you got to prove to all these exchanges who you are, make sure you erase them from your phone. It's much better if you put them on a hard disk or a thumbnail, and then that way when they ask you for it, just upload that file from the thumbnail or the hard disk, and that way it's not even on your phone, it's not on your computer, and you don't have to worry about a hacker getting your driver's license or your bank account number or anything like that. Okay, guys, here we are. We're at a YouTube picker off of the Google. We're going to load our YouTube URL, load comments, and there's the hard wallet giveaway number 1. There's 41 likes. There can't be that many views. Maybe there is. That's impossible. So we're going to pick the winner. And Patricia Wallace. Patricia Wallace, we are going to see if you qualify. So we're at Patricia Wallace. Oops. She has subscribed to me. And she has liked my video. So congratulations, Patricia Wallace. You are the winner. You can either get the Ledger Nano S or you can have the Keep Key. So email me at freeamericanspirit.com and tell me which one you want. Include your name and address, and we'll send it right out to you. Congratulations. Hey, I just want to say I'm really sorry about the clicking of the microphone. I don't know what's going on about that. But anyways, if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends and family. And everything that I talked about, there's links down in the description. Just go down to that little chevron thing where it says see more. Click on that and follow those links. They don't cost you anything. They support this channel, and they get you to the correct place that you need to be at. Have a good one.